How to fix high ping in Roblox. 1. Close all unused background, bandwidth heavy, applications and downloads. 2. Ensure that the required ports are open. 3. Disable your device from any active VPN server. Plan B, using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 4. Change the power management settings for your Wi-Fi adapter. Disable allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Like this. 5. Flush your DNS cache by IP protocol configuration/flushes command, admin mode. Plan B, run these commands. IP protocol configuration/flushes, IP protocol configuration/registered, IP protocol configuration/release, IP protocol configuration/renew netshare winsock reset. 6. Allow Roblox through the firewall. 7. Update Roblox. 8. Try a dedicated game booster software. 9. Lower graphics settings in Roblox. To do so, set manual to graphics mode and lower graphics quality. 10. Update your graphics and network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 11. Power cycle your home network. Avoid and rid of wireless interference. And optimize your internet connection fully, if you can.